And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera looking north towards Adams Park. Lots of sunshine today. We're at 13 degrees right now. That is our daytime high. We were down to -4 at 8 a.m. this morning. And if you remember back, that's when we had some fog patches, and actually fog was depositing ice on some of the surfaces as well. Well, that's all a memory now. It's all melted away. 13 degrees and pretty healthy temperatures for the most part in many areas in southern Alberta right now. We're getting a nice push of warm air in. And most of the precipitation over the next day or so is going to be isolated to the west of the Continental Divide, with the exception of later in the day tomorrow. We could see a little upper level system make its way across. Temperature-wise, though, we're doing really good. And then as we get further into the 5-day forecast, we have the one-day Sunday where we could be seeing some shower activity. But here we're watching a lot of precipitation still making its way into Washington State, Oregon State, into the western coast areas, through Vancouver, and even up the coast a little bit as well. It's a series of low pressure centers that look like they're forming one big system, but then they're kind of splitting apart and then regrouping as they make their way onto land. So that's going to be the situation on the BC coast for the next 6 days. Vancouver is expecting rain, so a little dreary there. Temperature wise, not too bad, around 13, between 10 and 13 degrees, but still it's going to be pretty damp and pretty gray there. On this side of the Continental Divide, we're not looking at any active weather right now. Earlier this morning, we had a band of precipitation make its way north of Calgary in through the Edmonton area and then east into Saskatchewan. But here in the south, we were pretty clear after the fog burned off and the sunshine came up, just a little bit of high, thin cloud. Forecasters showing the fact that as we get into the latter part of day, things start to clear out. And then in tomorrow, we're looking at a possibility late in the day tomorrow of some of this mixed precipitation possibly breaking off, making its way into southern Alberta. We're not talking about huge amounts, but there is the chance of seeing a little bit of a shower scooting through southern Alberta late in the day tomorrow, so just be aware of that. Down east, much more active weather expected. We've got freezing drizzle for parts of Atlantic Canada, blowing snow in through the Halifax area, and then we've got a line of freezing rain that extends from northern in through the Nickel Belt area, northern Ontario, all the way across into southern Quebec, and then making its way into the Maritimes as well. That'll turn to snow overnight tonight. Got some light snow in the Winnipeg area right now, and Regina too. 5 degrees in Saskatoon, 6 degrees in Edmonton right now. On the coast in Vancouver, nice temperatures, but rain and more rain expected for the next several days. A sun and cloud mix for Whitehorse and Yellowknife over the next 3 or 4 days. Yellowknife expecting to see some flurries as they head into early Thursday. East Kootenay, you're looking at a chance of showers tonight. Tomorrow, cloudy with a chance of showers as well. 8 degrees for a daytime high. Tomorrow, your winds will be out of the south, and that's just the track picking up that precipitation. For Crow's Nest Pass, looking at partly cloudy skies tonight. Tomorrow, sun and cloud mix with a chance of a shower. 8 degrees for a high, and your winds will be back with you. Medicine Hat clear tonight, down to -1. Tomorrow sunny. Chance of a shower late in the day as well, similar to us. 16 degrees for a high tomorrow. Here we'll hit 14 degrees for a daytime high tomorrow. Our winds will be up, and we do have that chance of that little upper level system just scooting across and giving us a little bit of a shower late in the day into the evening hours. 12 degrees as you look at Thursday. Friday we get 10 degrees, 11 on Saturday. Sunday's the day we could see another little upper level system move across and give us some showers, but we'll take these numbers. Average for us is 9 degrees at this time of year, so things are looking pretty good for the next few days. So get out and enjoy the nice conditions. I know yard work is in a lot of people's future.